How to buy Kwak token. So before we start, this is not much advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before you invest in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code simply as goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check their account and keep following the updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token, it's available on the screener. It's created 18 hours ago and increased by 400% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 98%. That's meaning investment in a safe place. As you can see, this token also trending number 7 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just click here to copy the token address and open your function wallet. For that, as you can see here, click on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here say how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. And after that, you will be able to read actually the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page as you can see and turn it off here and switch the slip hash from here as you can see, or custom it, because the most issues came from the slip hash. And after that, you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Kwak token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.